Hey you guys, it's Denise, and I am so excited that you are here. Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're surrounded by the wrong people? And if only you had the guidance from the right people. You know, the doers, the dreamers, the movers, the shakers, the goal-focused, positive people who know where they're going. Then you too could experience your own success. If you've ever felt like that, then you are in the right place, because I certainly have too. 3 years ago, I spent $25,000 because I knew I was ready to level up my leadership. I was ready to level up my business, and I had to find people who were 3 steps ahead of where I was today. And you guys, it was not the easiest money to spend, but it was absolutely worth it. I still meet with this group to this day, and they're the exact reason why I've actually done the things I've set out to do. And today, I want to offer you the same opportunity. You're going to get access to me every single day and a free no-commitment coaching call where I get to hear your story, hear your dreams, hear your struggles, and ensure that the Dream Life community is a perfect fit for you. I will then pair you up with an amazing accountability group. Next, you are going to have access to all of my best resources. I'm going to share with you my exact tools for building an online business, my best scripts for closing clients, and my favorite mental health and personal development tools for things like overcoming entrepreneurial anxiety or grief or change. And you'll get tons of support in the Dream Life Facebook group. And best of all is you're going to have access to our monthly expert speakers. Last month we had CEO coach Joe Trodden, who was phenomenal. He taught us all how to break through our self-sabotage, why we self-sabotage in the first place, and how to step into our next best self. This month, we booked Howard Felco, who easily charges $1,000 an hour. Howard coaches professional athletes on how to master their art. He is the real deal. You guys, this could easily cost you at least $99 a month. And to be honest, in the future, it probably will. But for you today, it's free. The Dream Life community is free for 7 days, so we can do our call, and I'll pair you up with an accountability group, and we'll make sure it's the best fit for you. And then, it's not $99 a month. It's not even $49 a month. You get all of this for only $19 a month. $19 a month, and you are locked in at that price. And of course, you can cancel at any time with just a quick text or email to me. You guys, I know that this is exactly what I needed when I was ready to level up. And I know this is going to support you in your journey too. So be sure to subscribe to the Dream Life community today so you're locked into that price. We'll get your phone call scheduled into an accountability group and get your dream life well on your way. See you on the inside.